I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Good morning, Decatur High School. Today is Monday, and these are your announcements. Prom money for seniors and juniors is due no later than March 30th, and prom will be held on Saturday, April 28th at the Texas Motor Speedway. DHS seniors, if you're going to a four-year university, please pick up an application in Miss Russell's room for Avid Be the Change Scholarship. Those are due Friday, April 6th. If you're interested in trying out for cheer mascot, sign up in the first floor office. There's a parent meeting being held on February 19th. Buy a love bug or have one delivered for a friend for Valentine's Day with chocolate and a note. See Miss Burdette tomorrow on Wednesday morning by the library. And the PAVE class will be selling white chocolate covered popcorn for Valentine's Day. Please stop by Coach Mayfield's room to pre-order, and that will be $1 a bag. Okay, the art class is having a fundraiser, and they're selling these Valentine's Day things that are definitely not terrifying, and they come with chocolate, so that's an upside. And see Miss Burdette tomorrow and Wednesday to buy these. Definitely not scary, but they do come with chocolate. Now for sports with Crazy Colin.
And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon dots.
JV tennis at Graham. They started this morning at 8, and then we got varsity girls golf at Trophy Club meeting. Started at 9. Show some support. Baseball is tomorrow, actually.
Currently at the 2018 Winter Olympics in Pyeongchang, the Netherlands and Canada lead with 7 medals. Next is Germany with 6 medals, and in 4th place is the USA with 4 medals. Now let's take it to Cody in Pyeongchang.
Reporting live in Pyeongchang, I'm Cody Baker. Tonight there are 7 gold medals up for grabs for what promises to be an action-packed day. Both male and female biathletes will go for glory in the pursuit, while the figure skating team event reaches its conclusion in Gangwang. The freestyle skiers will battle it out in the men's moguls finals, which will probably be pretty interesting. While the destiny of the gold medal in the women's snowboarding slope style will also be decided.
Now for Coach Park's 2 cents.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I say, it's alright. Everybody in the club.
And remember, DHS, especially when you're going through tough times, people will see if your actions measure up to your words. Talk talks and your walk talks, but your walk talks louder than your talk talks. Walk the walk. It's my 2 cents. God bless America. Have a great day.
Now for the question of the week.
All right, the question of the week this week is, what are y'all doing for Valentine's Day?
Have a great day.